Alright, so tying the peep in, BCY knock point material is what I use. You want a decent length of it. Wrap it around the peep halfway. Tie it down over the top, make sure we're in the guides, tighten it down. Alright, then wrap it around, same underneath, 1 knot. Tighten it off. Alright, so then we're going to wrap it through the string underneath the peep. Pull it up into the peep groove and simply feed it back through the peep, underneath the peep, back through itself, and keep going. I generally do 6 to 8 times. Alright. And we got the 8 knots underneath, and then the opposite side will go up and over and then up above the peep. And we'll sit in there nice and tight and won't move up or down. Alright, so we'll just cut that excess off, finish it off. So go back through once, twice, which will make, and finish it off. Cut the excess. Alright, so follow the same above the peep. Wrap it through, pull it back and into the seat of the peep. And repeat 8 times. Alright, and finish it off through once, through twice, pull it down, nice and snug, cut it off, and light it to burn up the ends. Obviously, new string, lighter, very careful. That's that. That's how I tie my peep in.